Cuando queráis.
¿Con ganas de llegar, Nick, a Valencia?
Were you willing to come?
Of course, I was very willing. I was very excited, you know, when my agent told me that this was a possibility for me. It was something I was very excited about, and you know, I'm very happy to be here and looking forward to a great season.
Por supuesto que lo deseaba, por supuesto que estaba esperando este momento. Cuando mi agente me dijo que esta era una posibilidad de venir aquí, la verdad es que me pareció una gran posibilidad y estaba esperando ya, deseando para llegar aquí y poder empezar la temporada.
Tenía ofertas bastante importantes, ¿por qué se decantó por Valencia?
You had another offers. Why did you decide to come to Valencia?
Yeah, I had you know, a lot of other good offers, but I felt like this was a great situation for me. You know, I spoke with the coach, the new coach, and you know, me and him had a very good conversation about what his expectations were for this season, and we both had very similar goals. We're both excited for the opportunity to win, play in the Euro Cup, and to try to win the Euro Cup and get to EuroLeague. You know, and to have another great season in the ACB. And I also really like the players that we have on this team, with some of the new young players coming in, and some of the guys that have already been here the last years. You know, I just think it was a great place for me. You know, and I you know, took a lot of things into consideration. I mean, obviously there was some other offers I had too, but you know, at the end of the day, this was for me the best situation.
A ver si me acuerdo de todo en orden. Sí, tenía bastantes otras ofertas, pero cuando vi esta pensé que era una gran posibilidad para mí. Hablé con el entrenador y la verdad es que con esa conversación que tuve con él me convenció, porque hablamos de mi rol en el equipo, hablamos de lo importante que yo podía llegar a ser y hablamos de hacer una gran temporada tanto en la Liga CB como en la Eurocup, que intentaremos ganar para de una forma o de otra tratar de llegar a la Euroliga el año que viene. Creo que es una gran oportunidad para mí, sí, tenía otras ofertas, pero creo que esta era la mejor posibilidad para mí. ¿Hacemos la última?
La última, Jesús.
¿Hacemos ya?
Son dos retos, objetivos para este año que se plantea.
Goals, objectives for this year?
Well, I mean, I think it's something that you know, I'm really looking forward to getting together with my new teammates and coaches and everybody in the organization. And you know, I think that that's something that as a team you come together and you talk about what your goals are as a team, and you know, what the coach and everybody's goals are. You know, obviously for me, one of the reasons I came here is because I want to win. You know, I mean, that's really what it comes down to, and I don't think that I'm going to put any limit on what that means. I just think that we're going to take it one day at a time. First and foremost, we want to have a really good preseason. We want to get everybody together. I know a lot of people are with their national teams right now, you know, but I'm here ready to work, and you know, looking forward to getting everybody here and just starting with the preseason and going from there.
La verdad es que los objetivos se definen un poco como equipo, entonces luego cuando nos juntemos todos como equipo tendremos que establecer un poco cuáles son los objetivos comunes. Está claro que yo vengo aquí a ganar, yo soy un ganador y quiero venir aquí a ganar. Ahora es momento de ponerse a trabajar, de poco a poco recuperar jugadores. Sabemos que tenemos muchos compañeros que van a jugar el Eurobasket. Una vez vengan, o mientras estos días que hay pocos jugadores, tendremos que empezar a trabajar duro y empezar a estar preparados de cara al inicio de temporada.
València Bàsquet Club, des de 1986. Viu l'esperit taronja.